Okay, this is what I bought off eBay so far. A CPN refrigerating car, and stuff. And so, let's go open this up. Oh, come on. There it is. Nice and new CPN refrigerating car. It's got normal wheels, and I just noticed it has no couplers, so I'm pretty mad right now. No couplers. Maybe I'll have to go buy some. But the doors do not open. There's details on the bottom and stuff and all stuff like that. Nice car. It's a nice car. Then I bought this, a Locomotive from Atlas. This Locomotive features bipole screwed motor with flywheel motor. Go open this up. Got the packaging. What? And here she is. I see there's no defects. It's just about perfect. It's the wheels. The wheels are just perfect. Yeah, I got my computer. Oh, damn it. I gotta make this very quick because my battery's running low. It's got right couplers. It's got it's Union Pacific. It's got the gas tank. Maybe I'll get a paint that to make it look like there's cats and stuff and stuff. And there's no defects on the top. It's just about right. So yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Yeah. Hey, this is me, it's Amtrak Vermonter Rail Fanner. Yeah, I got a new tripod, and it's, TAR G US, something like that, I don't know. It works very good. Thing comes out and stuff. As you can see, I'm watching some videos. But yeah, I got a new tripod. It's got little clips here that spin so I can spin the lights and stuff off. Yeah, I know my nail is very long, I noticed. So I gotta fix that. But yeah, I got the new Locomotive and the new refrigerating car today in my mail. I got them off eBay for $50 or something like that. The bad thing about the refrigerating car though, it has no couplers. No couplers. So I'm pretty mad right now. Maybe I'll have to go to a hobby store Thursday night and get some couplers and maybe I can install some. But yeah, thanks for watching.